When the sun collides, the sky ignites. The moon appears through sleepless nights. My heart turns heavy, lost in its prime, drowning slowly in the waves of time. Why do I miss you, though you're gone away? Your shadow lingers night and day. Still in my heart, your love remains. Though time has passed, it calls my name. Is it guilt that still won't let me go, pressing hard against my soul? I gave too much, yet failed your trust. Left your spirit torn and crushed. You stood loyal through storm and rain, but I searched only for your pain. So bitter now, I beg of you, forgive the wrongs I put you through. I know that fate won't let us stay together, walking the same way. What's left for me is truth confessed, a quiet heart that finds no rest. It carves itself into elegy, a prayer wrapped in sincerity. Let it be through the night. Heal the wounds and make things right. Toward your soul, this love I send, a prayer that reaches without end. I ask you now, forgive my heart, burn on together, we can't restart. I ask you now, forgive my sin, though fate won't let our souls begin. Let my prayer follow you. Oh, to heal the scars I drew. I ask you still, forgive my name, though love won't set our hearts the same. Yeah, yeah, yeah.